Dear friends in Jesus Christ, today we enter into the 8th day in the holy season of Advent. We have for our theme the daily manna. In the book of Proverbs, chapter 3, verse 6 says, I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. For He has the wisdom we need, the guidance, the direction. But it is not going to happen automatically. For Scripture says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. This is God's mechanism, dear friends. This is His desire that we seek His directions with regard to every decision we make. You make Him part of your daily life. He wants you to acknowledge Him in all that you are on a daily basis. But too often we make our plans without consulting Him. Then we ask Him to bless those plans and we wonder, why is it a struggle? Why God doesn't respond? We are making a move and then asking God for help. The right way is to ask God first. God, what do you want me to do? Should I start this new project? Should I take up this course? God, give me a sign to understand your plan for me today. The need to make our daily request is well mentioned in the scripture. And Jesus teaches us to ask for daily bread, not yearly or quarterly. And it is a must, simply for the reason that yesterday's plans do not necessarily apply for today. The time changes, the people change, the purpose changes, the circumstances get changed, the mindset gets changed, the words changes, the agreements that you make changes, and so God changes His ways to help face situations which changes that is not yet known to you. The scripture says, lean not on your own understanding. In most cases, we prepare our daily programs, find the resources, rely on our own expertise, and go to God telling, God, this is my plan for today. Make it come through. By all means, I have to get it through. This will decide my future, and I am left with no other option. Please help me, Lord. Friends, here we use our intellect, put in our strength and our competence. And we wait, but the prayers are getting delayed. And we are in a hurry. Again, try to meet the same God in some other famous locations, making new promises as to God, if you do this favor for me, I will honor you. If you bless me with this job, my first salary will come to you. Still, God sets the limit. Because God can see things that you cannot see. He knows where you should be employed. He knows where lies the danger, where the dead ends are. God knows how to direct you into your destiny, friends. Are you taking time for your daily bread? Let us introduce some new practices during this Advent, make a difference in the way we connect ourselves to God. Let the first encounter as you wake up be with your God. Begin your day with Him beside you. Never meet with other people before you meet with your God. Tell God, the day has begun. I need your intervention, your direction, your wisdom to accompany me today. Lead me, Lord, guide me, and permit me not to be separated from you with my actions or with my responses. And He will definitely instruct you to the path that you need to take, the people who will be in your favor, and the way you should take. Not only this, He will counsel you and keep His loving eyes on you. Because He has set your direction and He will guide you through. This is what happens when you go to Him on a daily basis, showing your dependency on Him. When you lower yourself on a bended knee, His heart will be moved towards you. He will instruct you and teach you in the ways you should go. For He says, I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eyes on you. Friends, this is all that we need in life. He has the wisdom you need, the guidance as well as the direction you need in life. Let us replace the overconfidence on ourselves with the sheer grace of God. Let us surrender ourselves and our daily life to His care. Let us set apart some time exclusively to be with God. Make Him part of our discernment. As an Advent practice, let us replace the thinking that I can do it on myself with Lord, together with you I can do anything. Replace the attitude to defeat the opponent by saying, Lord, together with you, my side, no negative force will defeat me, Lord. Imagine where you could be in life if you start acknowledging God now on. Think about the dangers that God would save you from. Think about the lost opportunities and the new avenues that God will open for you. Start getting your daily directions from your Creator God, the daily bread for your life. Be it small or big, let us stop doing things without consulting God.